and today we're gonna be making another bed, and this time we're making a DIY twin floor bed with rails that I guarantee your toddler will absolutely love. I started off by preparing the wood, and let me tell you, that took the longest time of this project. When I was done, the assembly didn't take that long. When making furniture, I like to cut off the edges of construction lumber and square it. I did it using my table saw, and yeah, you just simply set the saw on 1/8 or less than the board and cut it off. I kind of feel that this way furniture looks so much more professional. I use 2x2s select pine, but if you want to make this project cheaper, then you can use the 2x2 from construction lumber. But mind me that if you're gonna use the construction lumber, you know, like, it's gonna take so much longer to sand it, and sanding is the necessary evil here for this project.
Okay, so the next step is to cut the rails, and since we have like more than 20 rails that we need to cut, you know, like, I created this simple step block, and let me show you how it works. So we don't have to measure every plank, you know, like, but we can just cut, chop, 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 chop. Over here is our 2x2 that we're gonna be cutting. This is gonna be our rails. So I attached with this clamp, you know, like you see, this little plywood board, and then I measured 19 inches. This is exactly this is gonna be the length of the rails, and I put the stop block over here. So you see, every time we cut, you know, like, it cuts exactly at the same place. And I also put the plank over here, so to even out the board, so it's like lays flat and angled. And yeah, let's put it into test. Yay! So you see, this way we get exactly same cuts every single time without measuring it. Oh my god, this is magic! Brilliant, right? Let's get to work!
After I made this jig, the cutting process was such a breeze, and I finished probably in 5 minutes, which was super fun.
Oh wow, because of this little trick, you know, like, it was such a breeze, and I finished cutting this in like literally 5 minutes, and they look exactly the same. So now we're gonna sand them, and then I'm gonna prepare them for assembly, and we're gonna use the crack jig to attach it to the rails. So we're gonna be making rails next. Yay! Like the sides, we're gonna be making the sides. Oh my god, I just finished sanding, and I think it's been like a couple of hours. I'm so exhausted. It was so cold also. Oh my god. But yeah, so I made the posts, then I made the whole thing, and I sanded it. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna go inside and drink something hot right now. How smooth the wood is. I mean, so much better than it was before, and was definitely worth an effort. Okay, so here's day 2, and I'm ready to assemble. Oh my god, this bed. It's so cold outside. Oh, I'm gonna be freezing my butt. But let's not be scared. Let's do it. So we're gonna put the pocket holes on all the rails, because that's how we're gonna attach it to our bottom.
I decided to attach rails with a crack jack and making pocket holes. But if you don't have a crack jack, you can also use 4-inch screws, you know, like, and just screw it from the bottom. I just didn't want to go that route, because I felt that it might be not very stable. But when you assemble it, don't forget to use the wood glue, and that should make it very, very stable.
So since distance between the rails is the same, I'm gonna be using this pre-cut block, and I'm gonna be measuring it, the distance between the rails, like this. Easy peasy. So this way we're gonna make sure that it's so precise between the rails. Yeah, let's assemble it. One is in! 20 more to go. 29. messy. Mess. You. Ah.
I also would like to mention to you that as you can see, when I was driving the screws, I made the pilot hole first, and then using the countersink bit, I made those holes for the screw head, so the screws are completely flush with the bed rails.
Here we go. Yay! Okay, once that is ready, now we're gonna make exactly the same copy of this one, and we're gonna move to the longer sides of the bed. And just like that, we have two sides! Two identical sides. Oops. Yeah, so now it's time to make this longer rail, and as you can see, I took it outside because I have this plywood sheet, and this is gonna help me to have the even ground because I don't have enough surface inside. But yeah, and make sure to check with my plants because I had to adjust the size. It's not much, it's like by by a quarter of an inch, but still, it's important. So I adjusted the block, and yeah, we're pretty much gonna be doing the same thing here. The only problem here is that it's so much colder outside than it is inside the garage, but we can do it, right? We can do it! Okay. Yay! Okay. It's ready. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, looking good. Okay. Okay. Attention, people. So with this side, with the front side, we're gonna start. We're gonna start assembling the rails from the not from the middle, but from the side of the entrance. Because you know what? We need to make sure that this board that we already pre-cut for the front rail is going to be absolutely flush in the end. Yeah, does this make sense? So yeah, so basically we're going to start here and we're going to work our way towards the end. So you see, I measured where the entrance will be, so will be the entrance, and I put the line over here, so we're gonna start assembling this rail first, and then we're slowly gonna move towards the end. Okay, so the next step I feel is going to be better to assemble now here in this place, and yeah, let's get started.
To assemble the bed, it literally took me like 10 minutes probably, and it was such an easy process. And I left the last plank, like from the front board, to attach it last because I wanted to make sure that it's square and it's exactly where it's supposed to be. So bear this in mind when you're building your bed.
And now we're gonna put together the final piece. Yeah, so I wanted to make sure that it is flush, so this is why I left it for the last.
So we're almost done. I mean, the base is ready now. We need to add the slats, superfluous slats and slats, and yeah, this bed is ready. Yay! So I added the slats and now the bed is officially ready. I need to bring in the mattress. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I absolutely love this bed. I mean, I know I always say that, but I kind of feel that this project is one of my favorite. If you're gonna make this bed, make sure to check my plans, because I have plans available on my blog and also my blog for more details on this build. But isn't it look stunning? I absolutely love it. I hope you like it too, and I'll see you next week. Bye!